Discover how to make the ultimate chicken noodle soup from scratch. This hearty and delicious and nutritious recipe is perfect for cozy nights, quick lunches, or when you need a comforting meal. Packed with tender chicken, fresh vegetables, and savory noodles. This soup is sure to warm your heart and soul. Watch for step by step instructions, tips, and tricks to perfect this classic and traditional dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more comforting recipes. Here I'm taking a pot where I will cook the soup. I add some olive oil and butter. You can use only any oil you like or you prefer, but for me, I mix the olive oil with the butter for a good flavor. If you don't like the butter, don't add it. I have here 2 pieces of the breast. I will season it with some salt and black pepper, and I'm trying to brown it from both sides to get the good flavor before that I add the other ingredients. This step is very important for flavor. It's only salt and pepper, and try to brown it from both sides. Keep moving it from side to side until you see that good sear into it and good color. I cover it and will leave it for a few minutes. Now you see the color start changing, and also the butter and the oil got all the flavor of the chicken. You see that butter and olive oil, it has all that flavor. We will add the onions, chopped onion. I have 1 onion. I have 2 carrots here. Depend on the size, you can use 2, 3 carrots and some celery, everything cut small pieces, and I will leave it in the pot simmering for a few minutes until you get all that flavor from the butter and the olive oil. You will see how it will look after this. Nothing will be sticking in the bottom of the pot. That's all the flavor. We are building the flavor for the soup right now. Like you have to follow the steps like that. Don't add everything in one time, then add the liquid. I add here some bay leaves. You can add 2, 3 bay leaves. And I'm adding here some dried thyme. I didn't have the fresh one. If you have the fresh one, you can add a few pieces. That will be better. Then for the seasoning, I'm using some garlic powder here. It's also healthy to add some garlic to the soup. I'm not using the fresh one. It's only the dried garlic. And for this soup, the only seasoning will be salt and pepper beside the garlic powder. I will cover it for a few minutes and see the result. Nothing sticking in the bottom of the pot no more. And these vegetables with the onions reduce a little bit. This is building up the good flavor for the soup. Here I have, you can have 8 to 10 cups of broth. This is a homemade broth. You can use a good brand of chicken broth to make your soup. If you don't have a very good broth, you can add some the cubes, the seasoning cubes, but I prefer make my own one. This is a made my own and for the soup. Now I add the chicken, but this broth is homemade and is delicious. If you make your own, it's always be the best. If not, you can buy the store-bought broth. I will cover it and leave it until it cook, until the chicken cooked good. The vegetable doesn't take that much time. Now the chicken is well done. I'm taking the chicken out. That's the chicken that I will pull for. You see how soft it is? It's really well done and got all the flavor because we brown it in the beginning. It's very flavorful chicken. It's easy like to pull it small pieces. It doesn't take that much effort. Now I will add the egg noodles. You can add any noodles you prefer to this soup, but I'm adding here 5-6 ounces of the egg noodles. After you add them, you let them cook for 5-7 minutes, not that much. After the egg noodles was done, you can use any noodles you prefer. I'm taking the bay leaves out. Always remember to take them out when you finish cooking your soup or any food that you added to it, and have the chicken head that I pulled, the chicken breast. I add it, and after this, I will leave it for maybe 2-3 minutes. Then the soup is ready. It's very flavorful at this time. You taste it to see if you need add any salt or pepper. If not, for me, it was perfect. It was good. I didn't need to add nothing. And that was my recipe for today, the chicken noodle soup. It was delicious and nutritious and easy to make. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and if you try it, share your comments with me and opinion. And see you next time in a new video and new recipe, and enjoy.